We are manufacturing brake parts.
Okay.
Parts that get into brakes of different types of vehicles. It could be tractors, trucks, passenger cars. So our main customer is TVS. Internally, when I came in, everything was loose. You can take material off the store without anybody's approval. There is no accountability. Say, for example, I purchase 1000 kgs of a particular raw material and use it for production. There is no traceability with respect to what happened to those 1000 kgs. The important thing I was looking for was traceability and measurability. So what happens to the purchases, because I can look at everything in one place. I got into the previous ERP as well, but it was too difficult for us to do because it required a different kind of a setup inside.